All right, welcome back, Bug. So I did forget something, and that was to show you an else conditional statement. So let's do that. All right, and we're gonna clear this out, and we're gonna put edit if else if else. All right, there we are, and press enter. So like before, we're gonna generate a number from 4 to 5. And we're going to check, hey, are the conditions for it true? And so first we go through the first condition and says, hey, is this value equal to 1? It's not. So go check the next condition. Is it equal to 2? No, it's not. So we go to the next condition. Is it equal to 3? No, it's not. So we and go to the else, and the else is just like, okay, well, none of the other conditions were true. So just print out the value of the number generated. So control save, control exit, and let's run it. It's as simple as the if else condition that I showed you before. It's just for if else, it has those conditions before it which check for a lot more other things. That's all, and it's a 5. So that's pretty much it for that. Okay. If you want another examples, just let me know. Leave a comment or something. Um, let's see, Bug. We're gonna do the nested if. Okay, so this is just an if inside an if, or if else side of an if. So I'm going to show you just one example. I can show you more, just let me know. All right, edit, and it's going to be called a nested if. All right. So the first thing our program's going to do is it's going to check if there's anything in front of it. If that's true, then it's going to dig in front of it and then move forward. And it's going to check another condition inside of it. That's the nested if. And it's going to say, hey, if we detect in front of it and there's something in front of it, then dig again. Otherwise, please print nothing to dig. So let's run the code. Okay. Exit. All right. Get out of there. Okay. So what we're going to see is it's going to check in front of it, this block, because there is something in front of it, it's going to be able to dig. And then it's going to move forward and it's going to see, hey, again, is there something in front of us? And if there is, let's dig it out. All right. See its actions. So that's one way we can, later on, I'll show you dig like a little area that you want out for creating like maybe a pit for monsters where you don't want to dig it yourself, you want to command the robot to do it for you. Okay, so let's put this block and let's put nothing over here in the second block, and let's see if our code works, and it tells us, hey, there is nothing there. So nested if, let's run it. See, there's nothing there, and it tells us, hey, there is nothing to dig on the second if within that other if. And that's pretty much it for this. Next up, I'm going to talk to you about for loops, and then while loops, and that should give us enough so that we can start doing some pretty interesting things. I'm also going to show you a little more of the functions that that the turtle has, but again, it's for later video, so just be patient. All right, till next time, Bug.